What's up, y'all? We have an exciting change that is coming out of the Schlage factory. I just noticed this yesterday. Change does not have anything to do with the quality of the hardware or the keys or anything like that. This change apparently is just focused on the packaging. That's right, the packaging for the deadbolts has been changed, and we're going to talk about what they did different. So for the last several years, deadbolts have been coming in boxes that are just like this. They used to be red and white long ago, and then they changed to just the plain cardboard, which I'm sure saved them millions every year. And for the longest time, these have been coming, you can get them in blister packs, of course, but this is the box version of it. And if we look in here, it always came with this neat little fiberboard holdy container that separated the keys, separated the latch, the screw pack, and had the deadbolt also wrapped up with this standard soft fabricy clothy paper stuff. So it was all nestled nicely, pretty crush proof. You could actually, when these boxes are empty, you can actually stand on top of one of these boxes, and you have to jump to get it to crush. So I was getting some deadbolts yesterday, got them in, and noticed that they are, yes, look at that, huge difference, huge, it's huge. Huge difference. And people are like, why are you even talking about unboxing? Well, boxing and storage is an important part of, locksmith or people who deal with locks world. And it's I've commonly referred to it as games of Tetris, where you're trying to fit these things into certain areas. So having the changeover from this bigger box to this, number one, eliminates that fiberboard thing. There's no fiberboard parts in there anymore. And also, they come for key to like, as they always have. Here, they were wrapped up, or they were put in boxes, like individual lightweight cardboard boxes. This is obviously a cardboard box as well. However, has been modified to fit. And you can see from this basically what the size difference is. So yeah, so there's actually a huge change. We have done away with the fiberboard insert, and I used these yesterday. So let's see, I have one. Here we go. Here's one. Taking this one back open, and when we open this fella up, we just have the standard old cardboard separator in here. Nothing has changed, weirdly enough. So this came with this. I don't know, did they all come with one of these? Yes, they did. Okay, so here's kind of the funny thing about that. This was a retrofit. Yeah, that's kind of the funny thing about that. So guys, Schlage, y'all, you're off of your game just a bit there, because this cup is for the standard strike, not the strikes that come with this, which would be the 10092 strike. So yeah, your little dust cup thing is kind of pointless in these, but thanks for the plastic dust cups. Also humorous, well no, that's yeah, that's funny. Anyway, so there's that. Your design team's off a little bit, and when we look in here, the latch is just sitting in here, and this is, and with the keys, really the keys should be over here, but they slip back and forth. And we still have our typical wrap up thing. So there you go, guys, that is it. Just a very short video, an update to let you know that yes, deadbolts are going to have to be a little bit more careful with them, because they do not have that. I personally have never liked that, because we try to, when we bring stuff back from jobs, We don't really have great recycling here, so the paper and the plastic just gets thrown away, unfortunately. But of course, all the metal pieces and stuff that I don't use that already had strikes with, actually it had security strikes on this door. All this gets scrapped or put into reuse. This would go into scrap metal because I have no need for hundreds of those. But yes, the main difference is we have lost, so say farewell. Say farewell to the venerable old fiber box, which I personally hated. So thank you, Schlage. This is going to make our Tetris game much more interesting. But in the meantime, that's really all I have to say. New packaging. If you have any questions or comments, I don't know why they did it other than to reduce waste with that fiberboard box. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a great one. We'll catch you next video.